Forgotten username recovery failed on RateSetter Fix. If your forgotten username recovery keeps failing on RateSetter, don't panic. This is one of the most common login issues users face. The surprising truth is that RateSetter doesn't actually use a separate username for logging in anymore. Instead, everything is tied directly to your registered email address. Once you know that, fixing the problem becomes simple. Here's how to resolve it step by step. Go to RateSetter's official login page. Instead of trying to recover a username, click on Forgot Password. Then, enter the email address you used when creating your RateSetter account. Within a few minutes, you should receive a secure link to reset your password or confirm your login. If you don't see the email, check your spam or junk folders. Many people miss it there. Still no message? Try another email address. Many users accidentally sign up with a work or secondary email and forget about it later. Searching your inbox for RateSetter can help you find previous account-related messages and identify the correct address. If you've lost access to your registered email, contact RateSetter's customer support directly. Provide identifying details like your full name, the email you think you used, or your investment reference number. Once they verify your identity, they can safely restore your access. Most people get this wrong because they think they need a username, but the platform's modern security system only needs your email. So, if your forgotten username recovery failed on RateSetter, don't stress. Just switch to your registered email, follow the recovery process, and you'll be back managing your investments in no time.